Let me now take you to the line of control. Chief of the Army Staff, General Manoj Mukund Naravane, he visited forward areas in Jammu and Kashmir. There is clear and present danger as India battles COVID-19. The world battles COVID-19 and India is helping out countries across the world. It's not just with hydroxychloroquine, but also in so many other ways. What is Pakistan doing? India distributes life, Pakistan distributes death. There is clear and present danger. The Army Chief says India is prepared for any eventuality. Manjeet Singh Negi with this India Today exclusive.
Four terrorists killed in two different encounters in the Kashmir Valley in the past 24 hours. In the first encounter, forces neutralized two terrorists after a short, sharp encounter in Shopian. Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Naravane, on a two-day visit to the Kashmir Valley and forward areas, hit out at Pakistan's state-sponsored terror.
बाकियों के देश को मदद करने के लिए हमने मेडिकल टीम भी भेजे हैं, कुवैत में भेजा है, मालदीव्स में भेजा है, नेपाल को हमने दवाइयाँ भेजी है। इतने सारे हम मदद कर रहे हैं, लेकिन पाकिस्तान सिर्फ टेरर को एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा है।
Speaking exclusively to India Today, the Army Chief elaborated on Indian Army's multi-pronged offensive combating terror and coronavirus.
पाकिस्तान ने काफ़ी भारी गोलाबारी की, आर्टिलरी का भी इस्तेमाल किया, तो ये बहुत अफसोस की बात है कि एक तरफ हम कोविड की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ पाकिस्तान इस तरफ के हरकतें कर रहा है। 13 के करीब टेररिस्ट आधे महीने में, अप्रैल के आधे महीने में ही हमने मारे हैं।
In another encounter in Kishtwar forest, the security forces neutralized two more armed terrorists suspected to have been involved in the murderous attack on the Jammu and Kashmir police.
इन दोनों ने हाल फिलहाल में ही ज्वाइन किया था हिजबुल मुजाहिदीन और कोशिश उनकी ये थी कि इस मिलिटेंट गतिविधियां जो टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज हैं उनको आगे बढ़ाया जाए उस इलाके में।
Intelligence agencies have also warned that Pakistan is pushing in COVID-19 infected terrorists across the LOC, compelling the army to change the protocol in dealing with the dead bodies of killed terrorists. For the forces, the challenges in dealing with Pakistan's state-sponsored terror have only multiplied.
As far as the threat of corona-infected terrorists is concerned, it's very well known that Pakistan has been trying to pushing terrorists in a big way in Indian territory. That is why Indian Army has issued special instruction to its personnel for the handling of dead bodies of the terrorists to avoid any kind of infection from these elements. This is Manjeet Negi for India Today.
India Today's Abhishek Bhalla now joins me for more on the story. Abhishek, how serious is this threat of terrorists, COVID-19 positive terrorists being pushed across the LC by Pakistan, terrorists themselves being used as a weapon?
Well, Gaurav, what the Army Chief has said is very, very clear. He said that while India is fighting COVID along with other countries, India is exporting medicine, India is sending its medical teams to other countries, Pakistan is only exporting terror. And this has been said in the backdrop of what's happened in the last few days. There has been a spike in ceasefire violations. Increased infiltration attempts have taken place from across the line of control. And Indian Army has been battling not just the coronavirus fear, but also terrorists and the Pakistani Army at the line of control. The Pakistani Army has targeted civilians living close to the line of control. And what officials are saying now is that this could be a larger ploy to ensure that the Indian Army, which is involved in a lot of relief measures to fight the COVID battle, especially in forward areas, they get diverted. They want to create a situation where the Indian Army, instead of focusing on helping civilians in these areas, has to take on terrorists and the Pakistani Army.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.